Don't worry, this is just a stupid experiment. Welcome to the CCNA Introduction to Networks course. The goal of this course is to introduce you to fundamental networking concepts and technologies. These online course materials will assist you in developing the skill necessary to plan and implement small networks across a range of applications. The specific skills covered in each chapter are described at the start of each chapter. You can use your smartphone, tablet, laptop or desktop to access your course, participate in discussions with your instructor, view your grades, read or review text, and practice using interactive media. However, some media are complex and must be viewed on a PC, as well as packet tracer activities, quizzes, and exams. When you participate in the Networking Academy, you are joining a global community linked by common goals and technologies. Schools, colleges, universities, and other entities in over 160 countries participate in the program. A visualization of Global Networking Academy community is available at this link. Look at the Cisco Networking Academy official site on Facebook and LinkedIn. The Facebook site is where you can meet and engage with other Networking Academy students from around the world. The Cisco Networking Academy LinkedIn site connects you with job posting, and you can see how others are effectively communicating their skills. The net-based learning environment is an important part of overall course experience for students and instructors in Networking Academy. These online course materials include course text and related interactive media, packet tracer simulation activities, real equipment labs, remote access labs, and many different types of quizzes. All of these materials provide important feedback to help you assess your progress throughout the course. The material in this course encompasses a broad range of technologies that facilitate how people work, live, play, and learn by communicating with voice, video, and other data. Networking and the internet affect people differently in different parts of the world. Although we have worked with instructors from around the world to create the materials, it is important that you work with your instructor and follow students to make material in this course applicable to your local situation. E-doing is a design philosophy that applies the principle that people learn best by doing. The curriculum includes embedded, highly interactive e-doing activities to help simulate learning, increase knowledge retention, and make the whole learning experience much richer. And that makes understanding the content much easier. In a typical lesson, after learning about a topic for the first time, you will check your understanding with some interactive media items. If there are new commands to learn, you will practice them with the syntax checker before using the commands to configure or troubleshoot a network in Packet Tracer. The network activity network simulation tool next. You will do practice activities on real equipment in your classroom or accessed remotely over the internet. Packet Tracer can also provide additional practice anytime by creating your own activities, or you may want to competitively test your skills with classmates in multi-user games. Packet Tracer skills assessment and skill integration labs give you a rich feedback on the skill you are able to demonstrate and are great practice for chapter, checkpoint, and final exam. An important goal in education is to enrich you. The student may expanding what you know and can do. It is important to realize, however, that introductional materials and the instructor can only facilitate the process. You must make the commitment yourself to learn new skills. The following pages share a few suggestions to help you learn and prepare for transitioning your new skills to a workplace. Professionals in networking field often keep engineering journals in which they write down the things they observe and learn, such as how to use protocols and commands. Keep an engineering journal creates a reference you can use at work in your ICT job. Writing is one way to reinforce your learning, along with reading, seeing, and practicing. A sample entry for implementing technology could include the necessary software commands, the purpose of commands, command variables, and the topology diagram indicating the context of using the command to configure the technology. Packet Tracer is a networking learning tool that supports a wide range of physical and logical simulations. It also provides visualization tool to help you understand the internal working of the network. The pre-made Packet Tracer activities consists of network simulations, games, activities, and challenges that provide a broad range of learning experiences. These tools will help you develop an understanding of how data flows in network. You can also use Packet Tracer to create your own experiments and networking scenarios. We hope that over time you consider using Packet Tracer not only for experiencing the pre-built activities but also to become an author, explorer, and experimenter. The online course materials have embedded Packet Tracer activities that will launch on computers running Windows operating system. If Packet Tracer is installed, the integration may also work on the other operating systems using Windows simulation. Actually, it is also compiled for Linux operating systems, so this data is incorrect. Educational games. Packet Tracer multi-user games enable you or a team to compare with other students to see who can accurately compile a series of networking tasks, complete series of networking tasks the fastest. It is an excellent way to practice the skills you are learning in Packet Tracer activities and hands-on labs. Cisco Aspire is a single-player standalone strategic simulation game. Players test their networking skills by completing contests in a virtual city. The Networking Academy edition is specifically designed to help you prepare for CCNA certification exam. It also incorporates business and communication skills, ICT employers seeking job candidates. Performance-based assessments. The Networking Academy performance-based assessments have you do Packet Tracer activities like you have been doing all along, only now integrated with an online assessment engine that will automatically score your results and provide you with immediate feedback. This feedback helps you to more accurately identify the knowledge and skills you have mastered and where you need more practice. There are also questions on chapter quizzes and exams that use Packet Tracer activities to give you additional feedback on your progress. Message to a student. As the course title states, the focus of this course is on learning the fundamentals of networking. In this course, you will learn both the practical and conceptual skills that build the foundation of understanding basic networking. You will do the following: examine human versus network communication and see the parallels between them. Be introduced to the two major models used to plan and implement network, OSI and TCP/IP. Gain an understanding of the layered approach to network. Examine the OSI and TCP layers in the detail to understand their functions and services. Become familiar with the various network devices and network addressing schemes. Discover the types of media used to carry data across the network. By the end of this course, you will learn to be able to build simple LANs, perform basic configuration for routers and switches, and implement IP addressing schemes. Sun is fading away, that's the end of the day. As the July turns the moonlight, I'll be on my way. Just one kiss and I'll go. Don't hide your tears and don't show. As the July turns the moonlight, I'll be on my way. The page is loading very slowly. What is this? What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. Oh my god. It takes too long time. Network interface card. Loading, 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 loading. Just let me hear some of that rock and roll music. Press F11. From the beginning. From the beginning. Summer side. It's like music on hold. I'm improvising. Strangers in the night, lonely people with strangers in the night. Okay, press F11 and turn off the FFM.